In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to copy a course as an instructor. When we start at the main page, you will find your master's course. I'm going to go ahead and use this LOD Master Art course. Yours will be specific to your actual course that you do teach. And we pop into the actual course itself content. Make sure that you don't change anything in here. This goes through a three-year review. Go ahead and you want to scroll down to your package and utilities, and then you want to click on course copy. You're going to click browse here. You're going to be looking for the B5VA section to copy from the master into your first section. For mine, I have a practice shell, so I'm going to go ahead and search my name and click search here. And my development shell is right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and hit submit. And then I'm going to select all. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and you'll see that it appears, all the checkboxes appear here. And you want to copy links and copies of the course content. It's important that you have that entire course home folder. There are items in your master shell that are important for each section. So go ahead and click submit. And you will see a success here at the top when you're done. And it will also email you confirmation. Give it in about an hour or two, depending on the volume of people in Blackboard at the time. If you wait until the start of a semester, it can take 24 hours, so just keep that in mind. And that is all we have. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm more than happy to walk you through this. Thanks.